Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about what is Chat GPT. You may have seen there's a lot of people talking about it, people are creating videos about it and writing about it on Twitter, LinkedIn and all that kind of stuff. But actually why everyone is doing that? Because it's important to understand the potential of Chat GPT and other artificial intelligence tools. So today we are going to discuss what is Chat GPT, how you can create an account on ChatGPT to start using it today, and what are the two things that you can do right now to make more money using ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing is, what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is basically a language model developed by OpenAI to generate human-like responses and in a very conversational manner. So whatever you're going to ask it, it's going to reply to you in a very human way. How you can create an account of OpenAI to start using the Chat GPT. So this is very simple. Just go to Google and type Chat GPT. So the first thing that you see is from OpenAI. Just click on it and then go to try Chat GPT. So once you are on the home page of Chat GPT, you just need to type in any questions, any queries, or any prompt, and ChatGPT is going to reply to you in a very human way. So, and you can use it for the customer services, for any kind of other assistance where you think ChatGPT is best to use. You can use it to make your day-to-day workflows very easily. For example, if you got an email, you can simply ask ChatGPT to write a reply for you. Then you just need to go through it and send it to your client or your colleague or whoever it is. Okay, so there are two things that you can do right now to make money with ChatGPT. The first thing, which is copywriting. Everyone is talking about it. Everyone is talking about the content writing, the copywriting, the writing itself is gonna change just because of this application. Okay, so but I don't think that's necessarily the case, because if you don't have the basic understanding of whatever you are doing, you are not going to do it for so long, or you are not going to do it in a very good way. So for example, if you don't know what is copywriting, you don't know what is content writing, you never write anything, then do not think about it that on a first day you are going to just generate some blogs or articles and then you are going to sell it to someone. No, this is not how it is going to work. So the first thing, you should have a basic understanding of whatever you are doing, and then you can use ChatGPT to improve, to make it better, and then you can try to sell it on any freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork or People Per Hour or any other freelancing platform. Okay, so the next thing is graphic designing. Graphic designing is really gonna change just because of these AI tools. So this is not related to the Chat GPT, but this is actually related to the another tool of OpenAI that people are currently using to generate very, very great images or the graphics that they need for their websites or for their other kind of materials, or even some people are trying to sell it and you can sell it too. But as I mentioned you earlier, do not do that if you don't know anything about graphic designing. Okay, if you don't know how to improve an image after getting the output from Midjourney, you don't know. So you are going to use the Midjourney for that. So what you need to do, just go to their website, join their Discord server and ask the prompt, put in the prompt, and it will generate a graphic based on your questions or on your prompts. So this is pretty cool and exciting. So I definitely recommend you to just go ahead, use it. It doesn't matter if you're going to make money from it or not, but definitely use it. You can use it for your website or other stuff. So that's really going to be exciting. So overall, so people are talking about a lot of other things, okay, and you can really do that. One thing which I have noticed that most of the people are not talking about is you can use ChatGPT is for the research purposes. Okay, so if you are a freelancer or anyone who is providing services to any client, and they ask you any questions and you don't know anything about it, so what you can do, just copy your question and just paste it into your Chat GPT account in the chat box, and it will generate a very great response, and you can see what that is, you can study it, and you can research it, you can research further. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you get what I was trying to say. But if you still have any questions or anything, just comment down below, and I'll be happy to help you with any questions regarding Chat GPT. So thank you so much for your time. See you. Bye bye.